Hello folks, so in this video I'm going to actually talk about water bottles, specifically Bisleri. I have had this in my mind for some time now. And today TCS World 10 came, Bangalore Marathon happened, and I went for it, and I made many other videos around it, around the event, around the marketing and advertising around the event and all that. And one of the sponsors for the event was Bisleri, and I even got like many bottles. I finished all of them at first. So I love Bisleri. Till date, I think I found Bisleri to be pretty cool. Their packaging is pretty good. The quality seems pretty good to me. Though I haven't checked out their ingredients yet. I believe it should be just water, and I'm guessing minerals and whatnot, vitamins, minerals, but something for me to check out. But hands down, heads down, hands down, it's my go-to. I just trust Bisleri, and till date I've trusted it. Though there are other companies, local companies and whatnot, or companies like say Aquafina or Kinley and all that. I've actually tried out Aquafina, Kinley, and I think one of them is even bitter in taste and all. And I used to wonder why is this bitter? I don't know if it's better than Bisleri and whatnot. I don't know which is better and all. But I generally just trust Bisleri, or if there's no Bisleri available, I go for something else, like something like Kinley or Aquafina, what is that. But yeah, if I'm buying water, if I'm paying for water, I am generally very okay with just going with Bisleri. It's kind of like a no-brainer. They do very good marketing. They are very creative. Their advertisements, their marketing campaigns and all, pretty smart company. And their packaging looks pretty great. The bottle looks pretty clean to me. And I trust them just like that. If I'm paying for water, and if I'm paying for water bottles, and if I can get Bisleri, I would surely go for it, because let's say 1 liter of Bisleri costs say $20 or $15, whatever it is. I think the more and more liters you buy, per liter cost reduces. And the other thing being, usually the cost of water across different companies is usually the same. And I'm if I'm paying the same amount of money, I would rather just get the best, and I believe Bisleri is kind of the best. Till date, at least that's my belief. Until and unless something changes after today, which is some new information, or someone comes and convinces me that there are other better ways, other better companies than Bisleri for buying water. And a lot of my colleagues also even order Bisleri. I think one of my colleagues, he just orders Bisleri online, and he mentioned that when there was water issues in Bangalore, Bisleri had discount offers and all. Right? So I was like, oh wow, that's great. So I didn't know that actually you can directly order to Bisleri and get it delivered. And I recently even saw advertisements for it, and I even got the app for it. Bisleri to home or deliver or something, right? So you can actually order Bisleri, and you don't have to go to a shop and just my colleague gets it for 30 liters and whatnot for his house. So instead of using a water purifier and all, I think he uses this. So he just gets a can of water from Bisleri, right? It has its own pros and cons, because water purifiers and whatnot, you'll have to have a water dispenser that has to be clean. You have to ensure that the tap of the water dispenser is all clean, and you have to also ensure that the water dispenser and the water purifier and all, especially the water purifier, how it is powered. Usually it's powered with electricity or some sort of battery. Some sort of power, right? You'll have to spend for the electricity. For example, Aquafina, I think it uses electricity, and then it leaves out some water. You have to ensure that wastewater gets properly routed and you'll have to do maintenance for that device and all that, right? So instead you can get a can and ensure that your water dispensing method is clean, then you're all good to go, right? That's that. Yeah, I mean, today if you ask me to pay say $20 for some other company versus Bisleri, I would just say Bisleri, heads down. Of course, Bisleri. You might wonder if I'm actually doing proper marketing and advertising for Bisleri and all, but I mean, I'm just telling what makes me pay for Bisleri, what makes me choose Bisleri. I think every company should actually ask their customers why they choose them, why they pay them, why they are okay to pay them, why they find it fine to pay them, or is it like some sort of like compulsion or whatever, like there's no other option or whatever, like that, right? Like in my case, I just trust Bisleri as of now, so I think it's my bet. I know, hey, if I'm going to bet on something, I just bet on Bisleri, right? It is a bit of a tricky thing though, as in that paying for water, I believe water should be just available for all for free, but I think that's a discussion for another day, and also like clean access to clean good water is not easy in today's world. Yeah, I mean, as long as I think Bisleri can actually provide it at a low cost, and I believe they do. For example, local companies and all are asking for the same cost. I don't know if local companies are trying to make more profit, or it just costs that much to actually, even like make water like that, like as in clean it up and whatnot, the process and all that, to produce your water bottles and whatnot, water cans and whatnot, right? Like it costs that much to produce. If Bisleri can do it in a better way, I would just go for it. But yeah, at some point I think Bisleri might just become a monopoly if they're like so good at it like this, and I don't know what will happen after that. But Bisleri is pretty big, so at scale it's easy to create things, produce each and every unit at a low cost. I think local companies won't be at that scale, so it'll be tricky for them to produce at low cost. But I'm just happy for now paying for Bisleri, so yeah, I just wanted to record that down. So yeah, that's all I had for this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.